In this video, we're going to go over how to use the Language Arts 3 guided notes to help you understand the course material. Guided notes for most of your FLVS middle school classes can be found on the help sites located on the teacher announcement page. So I've gone ahead and clicked on the help site button on our teacher's announcement page, bringing us to the Language Arts 3 help site. And we're going to go ahead and just click in Module 1 to find the guided notes for the Language Arts class. To do guided notes, what we would do is go ahead and download these notes to our computer and save them. Okay, so right now you can see the preview of them. If you don't have a hard drive on your computer and you're working on a Chromebook, you can open these with Google Docs and save them in your Google Drive and take notes that way. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and download these to our computer. We'll wait for them to open up, and then we'll save these notes to our FLVS file on our hard drive. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and you can see that it opens just like this. And the first thing that we need to do is click Enable Editing so that we can type in the notes. The second thing that we need to do is go ahead and go to File, Save As, and browse your computer for your FLVS folder and save these notes in your Language Arts folder. So you should have that FLVS folder on your hard drive. So once this is saved to your hard drive, then we'll go ahead and open up Lesson 101 in the course. So we're going to go to the course, and we would go then to the Lessons tab. And obviously Module 1, Lesson 101. And you can see that this is a lesson that has 12 pages. And we'll go ahead and read through the notes and read through the lesson. And as we're reading through the notes, reading through the lesson, we'll take notes. Okay, one thing you can do is like minimize this and kind of split your screen so that as you're reading, you'll be able to take notes. So you can see that we're looking for the word compare, contrast, analogies, and then we'll go ahead and fill in the blanks with these things. So we're going to go ahead and just read through the lesson. Okay, so it looks like writers often make connections between individuals, ideas, and events. So writers often make connections between individuals, ideas, and events. So we'll go ahead and just type in our notes, okay? And then it says we make comparisons for 2 reasons, okay? And then it says we make comparisons for 2 reasons, interest and understanding. So we'll go ahead and type in interest and understanding, okay? And make sure you just click save every now and then as you go through the lesson, and you'll fill in your guided notes, and you'll have a good basis of understanding for that first lesson. Another option for you that I wanted to present is if you like to have the lesson read to you, go ahead and go to your course announcement page and back to the Language Arts 3 help site. And we'll go ahead and click on the help site and go to Module 1. And we can have the lesson read aloud to us by clicking on the Module 1 video. And we would just click play. And find the connection, make comparison. You can see that this takes about 16 minutes to read through the video or read through the lesson on video. You can enlarge the video by clicking on full screen, and that way you can read along with it as you take your notes. To exit the full screen, you just click the escape button. So that's a couple of ways that you can go through your lesson for maximum understanding. And then obviously after you finish your lesson, you'll either complete the quiz assignment or the written assignment for the lesson.